Let's say that we need to make a mouthpiece, something that you might find on a brass instrument. So we go to design, we're going to create a sketch. Now, if I draw it there, I'm going to use this blue line as the axis. So this one's slightly different because I can do way more modifications in the sketch. Do the arc. And now I can offset that. So if I click that and that button there, or the letter O, I can bring that out. Press line and just join those up. But instead of revolving it and then making it smooth, what I can do is I can make it smooth in the sketch. It just gives you a little bit more flexibility there. Center. Of course, the smoother your lines when designing anything for airflow, then obviously it's going to be better. Okay, why don't we just revolve that and see what happens. So finish that sketch. There's revolve. It's already been selected because it knows, and I'm going to select that as my axis. Press OK, and there you go.